Ramzan Mubarak everyone. I'm Shanti Rao and welcome to my YouTube channel Diaries. You know what guys, I just realized that we've been in a lockdown here in India for a little over a month. And just a couple of days before Ramzan, I was talking to my friends and I realized that this year we will not be going out. I have to tell you a little something about me guys. I live in Hyderabad and Hyderabad screams Ramzan. We are known for HALEEM and we are known for our midnight shopping at Charminar. Oh God, I can smell the biryani sitting here, when I go to Charminar with my friends. We go, we shop, and then, we do this biryani hopping and Irani chai hopping from one place to the other. And it's, oh my God, it's the most wonderful time of the season. And sadly, it's not happening this year. But I know this is not the end and this is just a temporary phase that, all this is happening for us. But then I wanted to bring the spirit back into my life. So I decided to dress up and probably make some delicacies, I might not be physically going for an iftar party or inviting my friends here to my home, but then I can do it virtually, right? Hey, nobody can stop me from doing that. So yeah, while I was doing all that, I also was going through all my old photos and videos, and then I stumbled across this one video where I did something which I absolutely love. Ramzan for me is also the time of getting Mehendi done on my hands, and I do it every year. And there was this one time 2 years back when I tried getting it done professionally, and trust me guys, it was not an easy job. It sounds very simple, but that day was not easy for me. If you want to know what happened, check this video out. In case you didn't know, I was born and raised in United Arab Emirates. So Ramzan in itself was the most fabulous time of the year for us because we barely went to school, and then my dad, he worked for the government, and he used to come back every day with like lots of food, like including stuff like sweets and dates and God knows what not. And every day there was a celebration or a function at a family friend's place. It was amazing. And then not just that, me and my friends, we all used to meet together and have a gala time, playing, eating. So the first thing that I want to do is, which is probably the last thing that people usually do, and when I say last thing, I mean right before Eid. So I wanted to get Mehendi done for a very long time. I absolutely love Mehendi and I just love the smell of it, and I love, like, I don't mind staying with my hands like that, like for hours together. So I decided why not get it done, because it's the perfect occasion, and anyways it's going to fade in probably a month and I'll get it done again. So I'm waiting for a local Mehendi artist whom I contacted recently. So he's going to come down in a bit and we're going to go for that. So let's see how that goes. And then Mehendi. Oh, answer. Hello? Okay, so this is what always happens. I wanted to get my Mehendi done today and I called the local artist to come down to my house, and for some crazy reason his phone has not been working since morning. He turned it off. He finally called me, he said he'll come home, and look what is going on. It's raining. Okay, so this is what happened. I went to this local Mehendi artist because I wanted to encourage them and all that. He got so excited when I told him that I wanted to do a YouTube video for Ramzan where he's applying the Mehendi and he gets stock and all that. But then since morning his phone has been off, and I tried to get in touch with someone, and earlier because of the rain I have a major feeling that he decided not to come. So yeah, thank you so much, rain. I don't like this rain at all. I'm so sorry, but I'm not liking it. But then I decided, actually my sister, who is this huge ray of sunshine in my life right now, decided, why not go out and get it done? Why should I change my plans for this? So yes guys, I'm gonna head out now. apply my henna, and then come back. We all know there are different kinds of mehendis out there. There's Bombay, there's Rajasthani, there's Marwari, there's Arabic. But since it's Ramzan, I decided to go with an Arabic design. As you can see, I had a little difficulty trying to bargain with him. But then hey, Mehendi for me is a type of art form and they are artists. So I just went ahead with whatever he said. I have an audience. आपको पसंद है ये करना? I personally wanted to share a beautiful experience with you all, and I hope that this video has brought some kind of joy and happiness. If not, that's okay guys. I just wanted to share it with you because I believe that sharing happiness doubles it up. Don't you think so? Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite thing about Ramzan, and also do not forget to subscribe. Keeping the spirit of Ramzan alive, I'm going to walk into it with a lot of positivity, and I hope that this energy keeps me alive and keeps me safe and sane as well. Take care guys. Till I see you next time, stay strong, stay positive, stay healthy, stay safe. Sending lots of warm wishes and love from my house to yours. Ramzan Mubarak once again. Okay, I don't know why I'm not able to disconnect this, but I have to go. Come on. Okay, it's not happening. Bye, guys. Ramzan Mubarak, everyone. Hope that happens.